Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a board in the Milanote app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Milanote app, and here it usually opens up in the Quick Notes menu. We have to tap on Your Boards in the middle of the screen at the bottom. Here in the Your Boards menu, we can just tap on this little plus icon in the bottom of the screen, and then create a note, a to-do list, or enter an image. And after we created something, say it's this, we can organize this in the board section. Let's say we create a new to-do list, record videos, and then if we have multiple things, we can order them. The only downside is that you can only do this on the computer. So on your phone you can just add things to the app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.